Okay, evaluate the expression 8 choose 2. That's going to be 8 factorial over 8 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So 8 choose, we'll call this choose, 8 choose 2 with a C. So it's going to be 8 factorial over 6 factorial times 2 factorial. That would be 8 times 7 times 6 factorial over 6 factorial times 2 times 1. With that, the 6's will divide out, and 2 goes in 8 4 times. And we're left with 4 times 7 is 28 over 1, which is 28. Now your calculators will have this button too. If it has the P, it's going to have the C. 8P2 is going to be 8 factorial over 8 minus 2 factorial. That's 8 factorial over 6 factorial. That is 8 times 7 times 6 factorial over 6 factorial. That's 56. Because order was important in this second case, order is not important here, which is, A than B is the same as B than A. Over here, A than B is different than B than A. 12 choose 8 is going to be 12 factorial over 12 minus 8 factorial times 8 factorial. That's 12 factorial over 4 factorial times 8 factorial. 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 factorial over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 8 factorial. So the 8 factorials will divide out. 4 goes into 12 3 times, 3 goes into 3 1 time, and you can say 2 goes into 10 5 times. So what's left is 11 times 5 times 9. That's 495 over 1, which is 495. Whereas 12P8 is going to be 12 factorial over 12 minus 8 factorial. It's going to be a much bigger number. 12 factorial over 4 factorial. 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 4 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 4 factorial. And that number, ready for this? 19,958,400. Woo! So you can see 12 choose 8 versus 12 P8, two vastly different numbers there.